Welcome to Stocks Power YouTube channel. So today we are going to see ITC share analysis. So what is ITC shares analysis? Buy or wait. So everyone was waiting that when will ITC give breakout? When will ITC start its rally? Will ITC reach 250 or not? So watch the video full so you will get all answers of your questions about ITC share in this video. So if you are new to this channel, please subscribe our channel and press bell icon to get notification about new videos about share market that we will upload. First of all, ITC share belongs to FMCG sector. So after COVID-19, FMCG sector has given a good returns, but ITC share was stuck for consolidated area for many days. So we will see everything about this ITC share in this video. So before starting the video, so if anyone has problem, anyone has stuck in any stock, so we will try to solve the problem together. So message me on Instagram or you can comment down in this videos down comment. So we will try to solve the problem together. So we'll start with technical analysis. So after seeing technical analysis, your confidence will grow little. So we'll start. So we will start with monthly analysis. So we'll check here monthly analysis of ITC share on monthly chart. Okay, this is monthly chart. You all can check here. Okay, so we'll see how this ITC share has taken support at monthly chart. So you all can see in here I have drawn a trend line where in start of the ITC share in 1996 it has taken support here. You all can check here. Then in 2003 it has taken support here. Now the ITC share again is taking support at this trend line. So this support is very strong support. So ITC share will go back from here or bounce back from here. So no need to panic. So ITC share has strong support at these levels. So now this is daily chart analysis. On daily chart analysis, we'll see how this stock is working. So you all can see this stock has taken support here. It has taken support at these levels and in these levels. So now this ITC stock has broken the trend line. You all can see here that ITC share has broken the trend line here. So you can see clearly here it is taken support here and consolidating at this area. So no need to panic because ITC share has given breakout. Last time it did not give breakout, so it touched and came down. So now it has given breakout at these levels. You all can check clearly. This is a good news for ITC shareholders. So this is best news that ITC share is ready to rally. Okay, so we'll check again the moving averages analysis. So as the ITC share has broken trend line for daily chart analysis, you can see here it has crossed 200 moving average after so many days. After COVID-19 situation, this is first time that ITC share has crossed 200 EMA. It has taken support many times, but now it has closed above the support and it is consolidating at this area. So this is the best news to invest in ITC share. It can now rally upstage. Okay, so it is now above the 200 EMA, which is bullish. Okay, bullish pattern. So here are support levels and resistance level for ITC share for this month. Okay, so ITC share is taking support at this level at resistance 4. So resistance 3 was at 184.37, which has crossed it and broke it easily by ITC share. It is taking support at these levels. Resistance 4 is at 187. Okay, 187, 188. So it is taking support at that level, but no need to panic because ITC share has given breakout and it is good to rally. Okay, now it can rally. So it will not come below these levels. Okay, below this pivot or below this support levels, it will not come down. So no need to panic. So no need no need to panic. Keep confident on your trading and try to trade. See technical analysis and fundamental analysis and keep confident on your trading. So technical indicators. Looking at technical indicators, we can see here that indicators are at bearish because ITC share was consolidated at some areas, so it was not moving much. Okay, it was not moving up stage also and down stage also. So the indicators are looking bearish. So there is no problem about the indicators. After 1 month, they will look bullish. So don't panic. So you can see here moving average crossovers. So 5 and 20 moving average is bearish. 20 and 50 moving average crossover is also bearish, but the good thing is that long term investment, 50 and 200 AMA crossover has happened and it is bullish. Okay, so it is a good thing for long term investment that for 50 and 200 AMA is crossover and it is a bullish crossover. In daily chart frame, this stock ITC stock has crossed 5-day moving average, 10-day moving average and 200-day moving average. 200 days moving average is the best that it has crossed and it has broken 200-day moving average. So it is a good thing for long-term investment. So it will not come down below 200 AMA because it is a strong support. So we have seen on technical analysis and chart analysis that ITC share is ready to fly. It is ready to give rallies, good rally. Okay, it has given breakout in monthly chart and daily chart frame. So we will try fundamental analysis of ITC share, how it is, how good returns it has given in coming days or past years. So the basic statistic for ITC shares are here. So market cap, ITC shares market cap is 2,31,211 crore, which is market header. Okay, market leader. ITC share is a market leader. So it is FMCG in sector. Okay, it belongs to FMCG sector. EPS is 10.98 standalone EPS and consolidated is 11.14, which is good EPS, and dividend is 1015, which is good, and P ratio is 17.11, which is best ratio to invest in this share, and dividend yield is 5.40, which is more. ITC share gives dividend more every year, it gives more dividend, so this share is good to invest. Okay, so industrial P is 15.3, which is good. So after technical analysis, its basic things are also good to invest in ITC share. So we will check another basic information of fundamental analysis of ITC share. In quarterly result, ITC share has given good returns in compared to June 2020. In September 2020, it has given sales of rupees 13 crore 147. Okay, 13,147 crore, which is more than June 2020. You can see here other income is less compared to June 2020. Our total income is more compared to June 2020. This quarter's total income is good compared to 10,699, which was in June. So tax, okay, we'll see tax is for 1,146, which is more than last quarter. Our net profit is more, okay, compared to June 2020. Net profit has also increased by 1,000 crore. So this is good thing for ITC share. So net cash flow, you all can see net cash flow is 334 and 169. In last year it was 169, as compared to last year this year's net cash flow is doubled. So this is also best thing for ITC share. So you can see here how much ITC share has given returns in past years. So आप लोग यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं पिछले 3 साल में -27.17% है रिटर्न दिया है ITC शेयर ने, विच इज़ वेरी बैड. सो इन 2 years it has given -33.95%. In last year it has given to -24.63% returns. Okay, so in past 6 months and 1 month this share has given good returns as compared to last 3 years. Okay, so we'll check here as compared to 2 years, 3 years and 1 year. Last 3 months return has increased, so this is also good thing for ITC investors. So the return ratios for March 2020 has given good returns as compared to 2019. So ROE, return on equity, has given good returns 23.44 as compared to 2019. So ROCE is also good as compared to 2019. It is equally okay. So return on assets are also good as compared to 2019. So guys, ITC is the best share to invest and will be in future also because it is giving good dividend yield. So if you have liked the video, please subscribe our channel and press bell icon to get notification about next videos. So thank you and have a nice day. Happy trading.